I've just entered the rainforest at Kanha Shanti Vanam, and it just so happens to be raining right now. There are many medicinal plants and trees here. The foliage is quite dense. I'm curious about what animals live here. Nope, it's not a snake, it's just a hosepipe. False alarm. This fruit is called a custard apple. There's more custard apple here. Wow, so many. Can you see? And can you hear the rain? The rain is coming down now. It's so beautiful. Gentle rain in the rainforest. I am having a natural fish spa treatment. These tiny doctor fish eat the dead skin from the feet. Their gentle nibbles feel like little pulses. It's quite rejuvenating. In 2016, Daji implemented the initiative, Each One, Teach One to Plant One. May the forest be with you.